Best Hatchbacks Car for 2025 to 2024 Hyundai Elantra N. As 2025 approaches, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N has emerged as the best hatchback car of the year, setting a new standard for performance, technology, and design in the hatchback segment. With its dynamic driving experience, advanced features, and bold aesthetics, the Elantra N has captured the attention of both enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Striking design and sporty interior. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra N stands out with its aggressive and sporty design. The hatchback's sharp lines, wide stance, and distinctive front fascia give it a commanding presence on the road. The signature N badging, large air intakes, and aerodynamic enhancements, such as the rear spoiler, highlight its performance credentials. The Elantra N's bold color options, including the exclusive Performance Blue, further emphasize its sporty character. Inside, the Elantra N offers a driver-centric cockpit designed for both comfort and performance. The N-branded sport seats, wrapped in leather and Alcantara, provide excellent support during spirited drives. Red accents throughout the cabin, a sports steering wheel, and metal pedals add to the car's athletic feel. Despite its focus on performance, the Elantra N doesn't skimp on practicality, offering ample space for passengers and cargo, making it a versatile option for various driving needs. Cutting-edge technology and connectivity. The 2024 Elantra N is equipped with Hyundai's latest technology, ensuring a connected and enjoyable driving experience. The centerpiece is a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The system also offers N-specific performance features, such as lap timers and customizable driving modes, allowing drivers to tailor the car's behavior to their preferences. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information, including performance metrics like G-forces and turbo boost levels. The Elantra N also features a premium audio system, ensuring high-quality sound whether you're on a road trip or at the track. Performance and handling excellence. Under the hood, the 2024 Elantra N packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that produces 276 horsepower and 289 lb-ft of torque. This power is delivered to the front wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, providing a choice for purists and those seeking convenience. The Elantra N's adaptive suspension, limited slip differential, and high-performance brakes ensure precise handling and an exhilarating driving experience, whether on winding roads or the racetrack. Safety and driver assistance. Hyundai has equipped the Elantra N with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies enhance driver confidence and safety, making the Elantra N as practical as it is fun to drive. Conclusion. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra N has rightfully earned its title as the best hatchback car for 2025, offering a perfect blend of striking design, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance. Whether you're an enthusiast seeking excitement or a driver looking for a versatile daily driver, the Elantra N delivers on all fronts.